I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment. Install Git and VS Code and confirm both are working. Next, create or open your project folder, run Git in it, and add a README and Git ignore so Git tracks the right files. Then set Git config global user. Name and user. Email. Choose an auth method now. Generate an SSH key with SSH keygen and add the public key to GitHub, or enable the credential helper for HTTPS. These steps get you ready to push code. Once done with local setup, create the remote repository on GitHub and copy its clone URL. Back in VS Code, add the remote with git remote add origin using the SSH or HTTPS URL you chose. Stage and commit your files. Git add. Git commit m initial commit. Make sure your branch name matches GitHub. Use git branch m main if needed. Finally, push with git push u origin main, so future pushes use origin by default. You finish by using VS Code's source control and GitHub extensions to create commits, branches, and pull requests with a GUI when you prefer. When pushing, VS Code will prompt for credentials if required. Complete authentication to sync. If a push or fetch fails, check your remote URL with git remote v, ensure your SSH key is loaded, SSH add, or that HTTPS credentials are valid, and resolve merge conflicts locally before pushing. One key tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.